Hello guys, this is Dominic here. Today I'm going to show you this molding company. This molding such as the ABS, PLC, not PLC, PLA, and something like that. We got a lot of mold here. You see this? You can see that is a hair cutter, and this is also that. This focus. The main business of this factory is molding this kind of things, and I will show you some details and show you the factory, how it works. Okay, follow my camera, follow me.
你说啥？
You see, this factory got 4 molding machine. This is the mold, the tooling. You see that? Some of them, it's out of them, and this shaft is all of them. Okay, you got big one, I got small one. This is the big, and this is small one. See that? See, gonna show you how it works. Gonna turn around. Okay. Can you see what's that? And this is I got ear cutter. Okay, and this is for the electrical. I guess I don't know what it's really for. And you see, okay, this is the automatic one. You see that got a robot arm. You see, when it's molding, when it's finished, and it's auto pick up and throw it away. You see? Let's see it. See it? Okay, this is usually they use they need a worker working on it, but you know, if you got a robot arm, you see, this robot arm is so big. Yeah, he can pick it up and throw it away. Okay, let's see some details. Okay. And this has got 2 there. See that? This one is not the automatic one, you see. It's molding. They are adjusting the mold. Yeah. And they use this one to changing the mold and adjusting it. You see, because the mold is very heavy. And for this part, they got the material and the finished one, and some of them is the okay, QC passed. It's not passed. It's not good, and this is like a rubbish here. See. Full machine, all run 24 hours per day, and every workers can should work from 3 of them to take care of one machine. Each one person work 8 hours, and every day 20 hours they work, and the machine do not stop. Okay. So this is it. See you.